Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am here with Wink Smart Wi-Fi UK standard dual socket with one USB-A and one USB-C charging port. It can turn a single AC outlet into a multifunctional charging and docking station. It can protect sensitive electronics and appliances from sudden short circuit and power surges that can occur during weather storms and cause irreparable damage. The timer and countdown let you easily set automatic schedules for any device that's plugged in, from lamps to fans to space heaters. It has faster charging and it is compatible with most fast charging protocols. Each outlet could be controlled independently. Download the application Smart Life, Smart Living to connect with the socket. To connect the socket, plug in the socket to any existing outlet, then connect to your Wi-Fi network. Then you control from anywhere from the world. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. For any inquiry, please connect to the details in the description.